Hey poopers, welcome again to hashtag straight poop. Hey, I did a pork belly, whole pork belly, and I made several videos out of it, as I told you I would. This is the remaining of the whole pork belly. I got, I think, 6 videos out of this one particular piece. All that rub, everything, the KIEF, the sugar all caramelized, very little fat in the meat, no streaks, beautiful pork loin, very little streaks of fat, but I know how to shop for one. I mean, I come from a family of butchers and pit masters. So anyway, what I'm making here is a dish I made at this tap room in Wisconsin. I was contracted to run the back of the house. So I came up with the menu and stuff like that, and this is on the menu. This is what we called pork belly pita, except I didn't use pita bread. I used flatbread, okay? So I've got some flatbread, and well, I actually bought the hummus. I don't like making hummus. It doesn't come out good. I either use not enough tahini, not enough chickpeas, I don't know, but I don't attempt it. I make a good baba ganoush. I know how to cook eggplant on the grill. I'm gonna do a video on eggplant. I like vegetarian dishes. Anyway, I'm heating this stuff up. The beer belly. It smells wonderful. Oh man. And I've got a flatbread that I spread store-bought hummus. I think it was Tribe. And I put KIEF in there, decarbed of course. And I put some chives. Then on top of that, got a really nice tomato I sliced. And I'm gonna top this. And I've got a nice little KIEF type of garnishment for it. You know, sauce. Okay, getting that off. Because this is already cooked. You know, it's been fully smoked. Yeah. Okay. Looking good, baby. I'm not a very good food stylist, as you can tell. But that'll do, won't it? I mean, hell yeah. And let me get that sauce for you guys, because I lost my ramekin. Here it is. Yeah, and I used this sauce before. Cannabis oil, soy sauce, mirin. Bring it to a boil. Thicken it up a little bit. Okay, man. Let's get this in camera. Let's get that in frame. There you go, man. That is the pork belly pita on a flatbread. Tomatoes, hummus that I mixed decarbed KIEF and chives in. Tomato slices. The pork belly that I did a whole video on, and a nice little sauce. Hey, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing poopers. If you still want that free cookbook, we're giving it. Our links were deactivated by AI. But my email address has always been on the description page. Just email in the subject, cookbook. And we'll get it to you within 24 hours. That's a promise. Okay? So on that note, poopers, we'll see you next time on hashtag straight poop. If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. My dogs love having you here. Hang loose!